Of the government, since the Chinese government was a bureaucracy, which was a mass of elected officials. They created an examination to become a civil servant, which is a government official. The examination to become a civil servant was very hard, since sometimes the exams took 72 hours to finish them. Only 2% passed. When you passed the test, you could become a scholar official, which meant they could run offices, maintain roads, irrigation systems, maintain official records, or collect taxes. That made scholar officials very important and essential to the system, since they maintained a lot of things. Overall, they maintained a lot of things in China. Being a scholar official meant that their life will be well managed and they could become an elite member of society. Many are very wealthy. The civil service examination system meant to the Song dynasty that they will always get the best people and knowing, since they studied very hard.